Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to the Investing 365 YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the 3 most important people that you should probably know, whether you're a beginner or intermediate investor, but you need to know these people, and I'm going to tell you exactly why they're important to keep up with. And if you're interested in seeing a full in-depth video on each one of these people, I'd be more than happy to do it. I just wanted to see what the initial response is to a video like this. So if you like content like this, smash the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe. Sometimes YouTube unsubscribes people that are already subscribed, so make sure you go down there and turn that red button gray. So in this video, if you haven't heard of them already, the 3 people we're going to be talking about is Michael Burry, Cathie Wood, and Jim Cramer. So now that you know who they are, I really want to dive into what makes them special and what it is about them and their history that makes me and other investors want to pay attention to them. So that's what this video is all about. So let's dive right into those facts. So Michael Burry, if you've heard of him before, he used to be a former hedge fund manager, and if you have seen the movie The Big Short, this is where he gets a lot of his fame from, and not the movie itself because he actually doesn't play in the movie, but the storyline really paints a good picture of who he is as a person and when he predicted the 2008 housing market crash. At the time of recording this video, his estimated net worth from making these big moves, he's now worth roughly $300 million from having his prediction come true and then reinvesting those profits into the stock market. Now, he is really well known for betting against certain stocks versus betting for certain stocks. And one of his biggest bets right now is actually against Tesla. He is starting to believe that this tech and automotive space bubble is going to burst. He doesn't know exactly when, but he certainly has a few ideas. And because he was able to predict the 2008 market crash so well, a lot of people look up to him as the anti-investor investor. And when he says there's a bubble, there probably is. And so if you'd like me to do a full in-depth video on him, just go down in the comment section below and let me know that Michael Burry is the one you'd like me to do a video on. But the next person that I'd like to talk about, and as you probably already know if you're not super new to finance or investing, and that is Jim Cramer. And if that name rings a bell to you, that's because he is the CNBC host of Mad Money.
Hey, I'm Cramer. Welcome to Mad Money.
What a lot of people don't know about Jim Cramer is he was actually formerly a hedge fund manager in a previous life. And no, he doesn't make all his money working for CNBC. He actually has a portfolio that is valued at around $100 million, which makes him a really interesting news host for the CNBC segment of Mad Money because he has been able to amass that $100 million over his career. Now, I try to take all news media with a grain of salt, but if there's one guy that you could possibly maybe a little bit pay attention to or listen to, that would be Jim Cramer. But I personally try to stay away from media in general, so CNBC, CNN, maybe I'll catch a snippet or two, but for the most part, it's almost better to bet against what they say than for what they say. All right, so I saved the best for last, and the last one on our list today is Cathie Wood. So if you've heard of Cathie Wood, that's great because you probably know of her achievements. Just a few years ago, she was betting that Tesla stock would go to $2,500 or maybe even possibly $4,000 per share pre the stock split that happened in 2020. And in fact, her predictions came true. At the time I'm making this video, Tesla stock sits at around $680 per share. And if we're talking pre-stock split, we're looking at a valuation of over 3,000 American dollars. So besides that prediction, what makes Cathie Wood so special? Well, she currently holds the number 80 spot for America's richest self-made women. And apart from that, she also has my Investor of the Year award from me and actual publications as well. Her estimated net worth is a whopping $250 million plus at the time of making this video. And that's purely because she is the CEO of a little firm called ARK Invest. You might have heard of them, but they've really been the talk of the town since 2019 into 2020 and now into 2021 as well. And due to Cathie Wood's success thus far, I believe that she will become a billionaire by year 2021 just because she has proven herself and her ability to find underrated stocks with huge, massive potential very, very effectively. And that is something that I do on the YouTube channel as well. I want to bring you guys the best possible content about stocks, and that's why why I take your guys' insight that you guys give to me, and then I do the research, and if it's a company that I'd like to share with the rest of the YouTube, I post it here. So if there's a company that you might be looking into and you think has a lot of potential, feel free to leave that down in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, smash the like button and the subscribe button. And I wanted to mention that I do have a Discord group that I'm launching on January 1st. You might be watching this in 2021. If you are, the Discord is already live. It's free for all members. And you can also join the private group where I talk about my stock watch list. There's a stock bot and a bunch of other resources and really cool people as well. And we all share our insights in this awesome community. If you want to join and be a part of that, go ahead and click the link in the description below for the Discord. And if you'd like to join the private group, you can go to my Patreon, and that is in the description below as well. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Peace out.